Hello everyone, I'm Sham, Doctor of India. Looking for the best smartphone in affordable price? Then great news for you. Chinese smartphone giant Xiaomi has launched its best budget smartphone with powerful 108 MP camera in whole market. Starting price 13,999 for 6GB plus 128GB variant and 15,499 for 8GB plus 128GB variant. It will be available in three color option: black diamond, Hawaiian blue and moonstone from 12th July and online retail Amazon.in. Let's check out the specification of this budget-friendly high-end smartphone, Redmi 13 5G. It comes with 6.7-inch Full HD display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and powered by octa-core Snapdragon 4 Generation 2 AE processor and runs on latest Android 14 based on HyperOS, and also offers you 100. The best thing about Redmi 13 5G, this is not only a budget friendly smartphone but also the best camera smartphone and gives you experience of DSLR photography and smartphone because it's powered by 108 MP Samsung ISO cell rear camera along with 2 MP macro camera and 13 MP front selfie camera. This is not enough. It's powered by 5030 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging and also comes with side mounted fingerprint scanner and infrared sensor, dust and pulse resistance, and weight is only 190 gram. Redmi 13 5G, one of the best budget smartphone, and according to my point of view, is the best smartphone under 30,000 but cost you under 15. Redmi 13 is your dream smartphone. But don't wait. Get your dream gadget from Amazon today.